Hello guys, welcome back. So we have seen what are structural directives and attribute directives. So these structural or attribute directives can be bind using data binding. Means these structural or attribute directives use data binding for binding data. Okay. So data binding can be of two types. One is one-way data binding and two-way data binding. One-way data binding can be again split into four. I can say 3 plus 1. Why 3? Because it binds some component to view, means whatever you change on the component will be reflected onto the view, and the other one is view to component. Whatever you make changes on the view will be reflected onto the component. So the three are interpolation, property binding, attribute binding. Interpolation is done with set of these flower braces that you see here, and the property binding through square braces is equal to value, attribute binding, attribute name and value, and another one is event binding. So event binding through parenthesis. Okay. So one-way data binding, as I said, 3 plus 1. Interpolation, property binding, attribute binding, component to view, and event binding, view to component. Okay. So coming to two-way data binding, we sync between component and view. So there is a sync. Whatever you make changes on component will be reflected onto view and vice versa from view to component. There is a sync between component and view, and it can be represented by square braces and parentheses. Both is equal to value in G model. Okay? So these are the syntax which I have shown here. Just go through this diagram so you can get to know what is data binding, what are the types, and why we use it. We'll see the examples in the next videos. Thank you.